Cab Protector protects the front of your truck bed when hauling cargo. With your purchase, you should have received Cab Protector, alcohol wipes, and Primer 94 ampules. You will also need mild soap and a clean cloth. Before installing your Cab Protector, make sure the front of your vehicle's truck bed is clear of any accessories and is clean and dry. Start by placing Cab Protector in the front of your truck bed against the cab wall. Note the location of the hook and loop fasteners on the back side of the liner. Then, using the provided alcohol wipes, clean the areas of the cab wall where the hook and loop fasteners will attach. Please note, if your truck bed has a spray and bed liner, also apply the included Primer 94 to the same attachment points. Shake the ampule and press the dot to open. Then apply to each attachment point. Let it stand for 5 minutes or until dry before moving forward. Next, remove the backing on the lower hook and loop fasteners and press firmly against the truck bed wall. Hold for 10 seconds. Then, repeat the process for the upper hook and loop fasteners and hold for 10 seconds. Congratulations! Your Cab Protector is now installed.